Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to join a class on Quizlet. Very easy and simple. You just come here, okay, once you're logged in, click on your library. Now, on this page, what you need to do is click on classes right here, okay? And here you'll come on this page where you can either create or join a class. So you want to click on this option, and it will redirect you to this page where you just search for a class or a school or your teacher's name, right? So let's say my teacher's name is Mr. William. I'll search that up and you'll see a different, teachers with that name, their school, right? So mine, let me search for mine. There we go, this one, Troy Prep Middle School, this one right here. And then you just request to join it. Okay. And then we are here on this page where we need to just click on a request to join, right? So go ahead and do that. And now we have gotten this prompt. So your request to join this class is awaiting approval by the class admin, which is the teacher. At any point in time, you can come here and cancel this request as well. Okay. Really that easy and simple.